In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem RP card in League of Legends. If you've got a prepaid RP card or a digital code and you want that balance in your account, I'll walk you through the exact place to click and what to expect on the way, so you can get back to playing without any confusion. Start by opening your League client and make sure you're logged in to the account where you want the RP to go. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the client. You'll see your currencies displayed there. Blue Essence and RPER. Right next to the RP icon, there's a small plus sign. Click that plus sign to open the purchase window. In this window, you'll see several payment options. We're not buying with a card today, so scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Prepaid Cards and Codes. Go ahead and select that. This takes you to a simple field where you can enter your code. Type your code exactly as it appears on your card or in your email. You don't have to include hyphens if they're shown, but avoid extra spaces, and take your time with characters that can look similar, like the letter O and the number 0. When you've entered the full code, click the Submit or Redeem button. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message, and your RP balance in the top right should update shortly after. If you run into an error, don't worry. It's usually something simple. Double-check the code for typos. Make sure you're redeeming on the correct account and that the card is intended for your region. If the code looks scratched or unreadable, or it says it's already been used, reach out to the retailer or support with your proof of purchase. If the RP doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening the store window in the client, or give it a minute and check again. A quick note on safety. Only redeem codes through the official client, and never share your code or account information publicly. Once a valid code is redeemed, it can't be used again. That's all there is to it. Log into your League client, click the plus sign next to RP, scroll down to Prepaid Cards and Codes, enter your code, and submit. Your new RP should be ready for you to use on champions, skins, or whatever you've been eyeing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new RP.